Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's analyze the price chart of MATIC or the token of Polygon, and the current price is $1.64.5. So this is the monthly chart. To some extent we are really very familiar with the price chart of MATIC. Let me remind you that last year in the first half there was a solid price increase followed by a correction. At the end of this correction, we had a hammer candlestick formation, then the price rebounded, it skyrocketed in the second half of the previous year and posted another, let's say, all-time high in December. After that, a correction took place, and actually we had a bearish engulfing. So this is the bearish engulfing. The candlestick for January, or the bearish candlestick, completely covered with its body, the body of the previous one, of the bullish candlestick. Also, it had a local high below the previous one and the local low below the previous one. So this was a bearish signal. But I want to underline that this was a bearish signal because after that we had a long leg dodge in February, and now we're almost at the end of the month. So 4 more days, let's say, or 3 days and a half more. We have a hammer candlestick. Of course, its body is relatively small if compared to this one. This lower shadow is smaller than this one, but actually it is a hammer. And I want to say that the combination or the sequence of this long leg dodge and the hammer is a confirmation that the price is consolidating. So probably the bulls are supporting the price, and it's obvious because if we have a look at the lower shadows of all these candlesticks, they have relatively tall lower shadows at almost the same levels or within the same range. Let's say they're within the same range. So I would say that these lower shadows, they indicate that there is a lot of support for the price of MATIC below 160 or 155, and it is, let's say, the lower level, the lower bound of this range is 120, for example. So I would like to say that there is a lot of support here and the price is consolidating according to the monthly chart. So I would say that the bearish pressure, although we still have this lower maximums, is diminishing because we don't have lower minimums, lower lows. Next, this is the weekly chart, and actually it is very interesting one. So this is the price increase that we witnessed last year. Then at the end of December and earlier this year, the price started to decline. There was a rebound within this decline after this long leg dodge. However, at the top of this price rebound, a shooting star formed, followed by some other, let's say, bearish candlesticks. But the price chart started to improve, let's say, 10 days ago approximately, because we had a bullish candlestick. This candlestick covered with its body, the body of the previous one, or even this one as well. Also, its maximum was at the level of the previous one and the minimum was at the level of the previous one. So this was the first initial signal indicating that the market started to consolidate and that the bulls started supporting the price. And now we have another bullish candlestick. Of course, till the end of the week, we still have a couple of hours. It's Sunday today, so let's say 12 more hours till the end of the week. But we already have a local high above the previous one, and the local low is above the previous one. This is a bullish candlestick. So if at the end of the day we have exactly this bullish candlestick, it will confirm the potential formation of a local low here, I would say, because this is a bullish, let's say, small signal. So this sequence of two bullish candlesticks with higher highs and higher lows is an initial signal, let's say, or sign that probably this is the bottom. But we have to keep an eye, of course, on the price chart constantly. Next, let's have a look at the daily chart. This is the daily chart. This is the 30-day moving average. The price dropped below the 30-day moving average in January. It was below this moving average till, let's say, it had been below this moving average till the middle of the current month. Since the middle of March, the price has been above the 30-day moving average. So this is a small positive signal, and I want to underline once again, not only here in the price chart of MATIC, that the longer the price is above the 30-day moving average, the higher the probability that this is, let's say, the renewal of the price increase. Also, let's have a look at the 90-day moving average. The price is still below the 90 moving average. That's why we have to be really very cautious about this rebound, because we're still below the 90-day moving average. Let me remind you that in the middle of January, the price dropped below this moving average. Also, we had a bearish moving average crossover. But of course, once again, it is still a positive small signal because we're above the blue line. Plus, if we have a look at the 1-year moving average, this is the 1-year moving average. The price has been above the 1-year moving average or the green moving average since the beginning of the bull market. And we see that during this correction, the price received support at the green line, at the 1-year moving average, and it has just rebounded. So luckily here we're above these two moving averages, so the price chart of MATIC looks much better if compared to other cryptocurrencies, because there, for example, the price is below the 1-year moving average. Here it is above the 1-year moving average. So it is confirmation of the, let's say, continuation of the uptrend. And I would like to say that if we see the price above this moving average in addition, then this will be another positive signal. So let's cross our fingers for MATIC. But I want to say that definitely we have a lot of support. We saw the support in the monthly chart, in the weekly chart, in the daily chart. Definitely the 1-year moving average is solid support for the price. Next, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart. We used to talk about this uptrend here. Then we had a correction. The price started to decline. We're in this descending channel or downtrend. Here we had a rebound, an unsuccessful one. Actually, it was a successful one, but the price was not able to enter again, let's say, this ascending channel, and it started to decline once again. So let me remove this small ascending channel. But what I want to say now is that it's obvious that the price has exited this descending channel. Even if we change, let's say, the trajectory of this descending channel, it is obvious that the price has been outside already this descending channel. Moreover, I want to highlight that if we switch to a linear chart, for example, and even if we change the trajectory once again of this descending channel or downtrend, it's obvious that the recent local lows, this one, and this one, are almost at the same level. And here we had this sequence of descending local highs. Now the current price is starting to test this local high. If it surpasses this local high, then we will receive another small bullish signal, because we will have local lows at a similar level. So it's not like lower minimums or lower lows. And we will have a local high above the previous one. So definitely this will be a signal pointing to potential uptrend renewal, because at the moment the price is exiting the downtrend, and it means that the price is trying to break this downtrend. And if it happens, then we will receive another bullish signal. So this is what I will continue to keep an eye on, fellas, in the 4-hour chart. So that's it for today about the price chart of MATIC. Please share your point of view as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.